And we are entering now Mushrif downtown. Ayan, ang downtown ng Doha. Uptown girl, she's been living in the uptown world. Na 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 na. So our destination for tonight is from Suk Kabayan. Then after Suk Kabayan, we're going to Suk Waqif. And now we are entering Mushrif area, the downtown area in Doha. Hindi siya malamig, girl.
Parang siya nilalag.
Lamig eh. Oh, may Intaj exhibition dito. Sige, ubot. Tapos sige, babe. Ang cute. Pwede na to eh. Pambata. may sakay pa sila sa likod, dalawa.
Hindi ka kasi dyan sila.
Dito sa Mushrif, parang nakaka-relax ng utak. Makakakita ka ng water, tapos makakita ka ng kahoy. Yung ganun.
Ibit-bitin natin sa...
Just fall apart.
Upside play on the side here to open up a array of prospects of what change you want to have.
Higher. Ang ganda. Pumasok ka nga dyan. Huwag silang kundi bibidyohan ko sila. Bilis na, nag-go pa.